Hi everybody, it's Mary Ellen from Create With Me, and I'm here in the Creativity Nest for Teach Me Tuesday. And I was stamping this morning, working on cards for tomorrow's class, and I was having a lot of trouble with my DistINKtive stamps. And if you don't know what DistINKtive stamps are, these are stamps that are made from a photograph. So usually they are more detailed. But they're not cut detailed. They're just I don't even know how to explain them. I'm just gonna say that sometimes we have trouble stamping with them. They are new and they are exclusive to Stampin' Up. So I was making an adorable baby card, and I inked up this little onesie here, and I stamped it on my paper. And I thought, oh, look at what that looks like. That looks terrible. And so then I was stamping this one, and I thought, well, what am I doing wrong? Okay, I'm going to ink it up. I'm going to stamp it. This one will be better. No, that's not any better. Okay, so you see I've got a lot of ink, and it's kind of splotchy and kind of strange places. So I got thinking about what I was working with, and I thought, wait a minute, M.E, these are DistINKtive stamps, so we need less ink is more, better for these. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your, I thought I had my cleaner over here, but I took it to the other table. You're going to take your bone folder or some kind of straight edge. You could use a credit card or something like that. And you're going to just scrape away some of the ink. So you can see in the video that my pad is getting lighter there. Okay. And then I want to show you, I'm going to set this aside over here, what a difference that makes in my stamping. So hopefully this will work. I'm going to bring in the actual image that I was working on, and I'm going to stamp it now with the lighter ink right here, and you'll see what a difference it made. So yes, it's lighter, but I get the darkness where I need the darkness without all the splotchiness like I have here. Now I could have I used a little too much pressure just because I was on video, but I kind of like the way that looks. And then you can just move the ink back in. It will kind of disperse itself, so it's not a problem. Here, I've got a cleaning pad here. Just going to take my chamois and clean my bone folder. And then on this one, same thing. You're just going to move the ink out of the way and then ink it up. I'm going to stamp it on this side, trying not to get my head in the way. And see, there you've got a much cleaner, here's the comparison. So you get the darkness and lightness where you need it, but not all this extra. So remember, when you're using DistINKtive stamps, if you don't get the image that you want, then try moving some of the ink around. And here's the finished card. This is the card we're going to be doing tomorrow in class. So the other thing I want to show you that's fun about this is I've added some of the little sprinkles. I've got them here on my desk. They are the new shaker shapes, and I just want to show you those quickly. Here's the little shaker shapes. They're little rubbery shapes, can be used for shaker cards, but I took them with my little bit of glue and my take your pick tool and added them, and then took a marker. I just took the basic black Stampin' Right marker and turned that one into a little button. Can you see that there? So that's how to use DistINKtive stamps with your ink pads. If it's not stamping the way you want it, move some of the ink away with your bone folder and then try again. So I hope that helps you. Let me just put up, we've got a couple things going on right now. So I've got, hold on, there's my host code. We've got a designer series paper sale. So this paper here is one of the papers that is on sale. This is from the hand pen paper. And we've got about 9 different papers that are on sale right now. So You can grab those with that host code at createwithme.stampinup.net. I hope you guys enjoyed this little teaching time on, whoops, I didn't mean to, I meant to pull that off of there so it wasn't in the way, on using your distinctive stamps to the best of your ability. So, you guys, thank you for joining me for another episode of Teach Me Tuesday.